Murphy's Law says that if anything can go wrong, it will, and you certainly don't want anything to happen to your class folders in MarkBook. Click Backup in the lower left corner. Select your classes in the upper left of the screen. You can deselect a class by checking the cell in front of it. Then set the destination path. Instead of storing my data on drive C, I'm going to store a backup copy on a USB stick, drive E. And on drive E, I have previously backed up these classes once on January the 7th and again on January the 13th. In the upper right, check the cells that are appropriate. If you want to be warned about overwriting prior data, you could check that cell. You could include comment banks if you've built custom banks in MarkBook. I would strongly recommend that you save your data to a dated folder. That's going to make a new folder with a date on it on the storage device. Then click Start, and MarkBook is now making copies of everything in the 4 classes that I've selected. You'll get a backup complete message, click OK, and then come back to the main screen. This is not a save as function. MarkBook has made a copy on drive E, but I'm still working from the original location on drive C. There's a teacher corollary to Murphy's Law. In addition to avoiding Mr. Murphy, MarkBook's backup provides 2 other functions. Given that I've got my classes now stored on an E drive, a USB stick, I can eject the stick from this computer and take it to any other machine and make another backup on that machine. That could include a computer at home. I've also got dated folders, so if I want to see how the class or the students were performing on January the 7th, I can open an old backup copy to see the data at that point in time. MarkBook will nag you. In this case, every 10 days. If you want to set the reminder to a shorter or longer period of time, select 7 days for instance, click back, and MarkBook will now remind me 7 days from now about making a fresh backup.